Hello everyone. So here I am with another video where I'll be opening up a new camera bag that I have recently purchased from the Amazon. Let's quickly open the package. This is Sonia Tonba heavy duty DSLR bag. It has good number of pockets. On the right hand side it has two Velcro pockets. On the left side, it has a pouch along with two fastening belts which can hold a decent sized tripod. On the rear side, it has very good quality straps having waist and shoulder buckle. On the front top of it, the bag has two small buckles that firmly hold the upper compartments. This provides additional security. Both zippers present on this bag are double and are of good quality. Upper compartment has separate sleeves for 17-inch laptop and can hold some additional accessories. Construction material of the bag is of good quality and it should be able to protect the gear. Let's close the upper compartment and see how much space does it have in the main compartment. As you can see, the bag has a lot of space in it. It can easily carry 12 small size lenses along with a professional grade camera. Each compartment has Velcro, so you can adjust the length of each of them as per the gear that you have. You can also see that there are two additional straps inside the bag for holding very small lenses like the usual 18 to 55 kit. On the front of the bag, you will also get the pouch to place your monopods. You can use one of the two additional straps that the bag has on the left side to hold the monopod firmly with the bag. Let's open the waterproof rain cover. It is located at the bottom of the bag. The good thing about this cover is that it has a strong elastic which ensures better grip. Now let's open the bag again. I'll put some small items like mobile mount, camera strap on the upper compartment of the bag. Now I am keeping my kit lens into the compartment which has extra strap. Here you can see how deep each section is. Even small DSLRs like Canon SL2 or Nikon D3500 can easily fit into these compartments. As per the specs of the bag, it can hold 2 DSLRs with 6 to 8 lenses, separate pouch for monopod and tripod with 17-inch laptop sleeve. It also has a pocket for memory cards, side cargo pockets, waterproof belt and a rain cover. One thing that I did not like about the bag is the quality of plastic used for making buckles. They look very fragile. Overall, I did like this product. With the price that it is available in the market, it's good value for the money. There are 2 buckles for fastening the bag tightly. One is near the shoulder and another is near the waist. Please do ensure you put them so that it does not feel heavy on your shoulder. That is all I have to say about this bag. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to this channel as it will help me to make better videos.